Independent sitting. One of the biggest milestones that everybody's looking for is independent sitting. That's what they want. They want their babies to sit up. They want to know that they're ready to go to the next stage, which then is walking. They just think that it goes in pieces and parts. But what I've been doing the past year is 12 months of milestones, and we are now into the 5th month of milestones of independent sitting. Independent sitting happens at 5.5 months. And it also has its warnings that you're looking for, like this little guy. If I was to prop him, I don't have proper head control, right? I have to hold or prop in sitting. He just doesn't want to do it on his own. Stuck in midline, maybe like this, or with the arms coming out versus that crossing midline. But what I just did, I have an event created for the webinar for Thursday. But if you go in it, I actually did my first questionnaire for independent sitting. Now I'm going to do this for all the milestones. But I find that parents need to be more on track, knowing the little nuances that maybe go on in independent sitting, let's say, or all the milestones, so we can catch development deviations earlier, and we're always on optimal development, right? Even typical development is not optimal, right? And that's what we want. We want your child more on optimal development, and that's what we're going after. But we still certainly don't want your child to fall through the cracks, and then you're coming back to me going, why is my child not crawling? I'm like, they didn't even sit. And that's hard for people to go back to a milestone to build a better foundation versus going forward and working on new milestones. So do me a favor, go into the event, independent sitting warnings, and look, I've just put up the PDF. It's not a PDF, sorry, it's JPEGs or images of my questionnaire, but I really would like your feedback, because I think this would be an important standard that should be out there for all parents, of course for free, but they can keep track of their baby. So thanks so much for, hopefully you'll actually go to the event on Thursday to see my webinar. It will be shown again, but please sign up, if anything, on the Facebook webinar page, and so you're getting all of it, because now we're going to start going into crawling soon. Come into sitting is next, and then going into all fours. And again, I know that's a real anxious area for parents to be on track with their babies. Thanks.